So we have come here to the third beneficiary of the Floriculture Mission, and this is another poly house. And the lady here, Kong, she is the owner of this poly house and these flowers. And very soon she'll be getting good money out of these flowers.
Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma Hakasan Terik Nailar Arhajar Pusan Hakapor Bulit Jurep Ya Kesnong Mokria Hakabaledan Lang Kementeri Keterat Karab Karyang I Dr. Amprin Lengdo Wemeli Kemelim Constituency Uba Ronnie Vilengdo Kihe Officer Bakinong Rep Sinteu Kathan Menteri Rangba udah benar bak sarkar kelabha arspa saupo glor tengka na kebentak laisna manwan apo jangka Floriculture Mission 1.0 dagajing temu ban penkelai gejala kum keslam kemelam ha ke kampen mi kesentio ha kathan stelam ini bat hagari Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagajing temu jang nega mission kalong ban pen mi kesentio gibran nega dor kabla ban kerda ke jinglong kesun beneng bat ban penne aka kamai kaji ulong bagane gade gejing be tengka ke bahe tam Hakanu ke sarkar bagan le hakabay bat ka Floriculture ha Meghalaya bat kumta lakmi danti ban la ban penni ka khajna ka ban rus pa klor tengkaleng bagan ka mission agis namban 1 ban penti kena ke jingdan ka kerdan bat ke jing pendek pensa ka sarkar klashe me ke jing trilang bat ki artli ki kenhon ki bajing shakri ke bakenthop ya ka Darjeeling Gardens bat ke North Bengal Floritech ki banai ke jing batai ke bekerpang ki tiar kitar ban rep ke jing kershan ke baydai ke jing tai ban penio ke jing khai pateng hakiyo lengba ke jing penbet ban thiet na ke bentalai snem.
Through the Floriculture Mission, today we are supporting a large number of farmers to put up infrastructure to be able to grow flowers like these. I'm right now here in this farm, in this poly house where we're growing lilium flowers, and it's doing exceptionally well. And there are many farmers who are working very hard, and with a little bit of support from the government today, this is becoming a huge source of income for the farmers. And we will continue to support our farmers. We have tied up with different partners so that we are able to take these products to different parts of the country. And slowly and steadily, this mission is becoming a really, in one way, a successful mission where a large number of farmers are benefiting. I also want to share with you that when it came to the lilium flowers, we have been told that the quality of the flowers grown here in Meghalaya is one of the best in the country because of the kind of soil, the kind of climatic conditions that are there. The buyers are preferring flowers from here, from our state of Meghalaya. So I also take this opportunity to encourage other farmers. Take this opportunity. The government is supporting you under the Floriculture Mission. Large number of farmers will be supported. Close to 240 crores has been budgeted for this. And through this, we hope to really help our farmers and bring a huge difference in the farmers' lives. Thank you very much.